Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox jersey. To begin, you will need a Roblox Premium subscription, which is essential for accessing the clothing creation tools. Once subscribed, navigate to the Create section on the Roblox website. This is your gateway to designing and uploading custom apparel for your avatar or for sale to the wider community. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for anyone looking to personalize their in-game appearance or contribute to the platform's vast clothing catalog. Now, let's dive into the design process. First, download the official Roblox shirt template from the creation page. This ensures your design fits perfectly. Your image file needs to be precisely 585 pixels wide by 559 pixels tall for optimal display. Utilize a graphics editing program to bring your vision to life, adding unique elements like team logos, player numbers, and vibrant color schemes. Remember, creativity is key to making your jersey stand out in the marketplace. Once your design is complete, it's time to upload it to Roblox. Head back to the Create page and select the option to upload your custom shirt. Be aware that there is a small, one-time fee of 10 Robux for each clothing item you upload. After uploading, you'll need to configure your jersey by giving it a clear name and a compelling description. You can also choose to set it for sale, determining its price for other players to purchase and wear. To ensure your custom jersey is a success, always adhere strictly to Roblox's community standards and intellectual property guidelines. This prevents any moderation issues and keeps your account in good standing. Consider promoting your new jersey through various channels, such as social media platforms, Roblox groups, or simply by wearing it proudly in popular games. Continuously refining your design skills and staying updated on current trends will help you create more appealing and popular items for the Roblox community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.